Okay, let's start today's session. Statistic. We discuss everything about statistic. Need to do furthermore corrections. Okay, take your tutorial. Okay, now you come to 2005 part B question. 2005 part B question. That's a table given. 2005 part B question. First read it. 2005 part B question. Okay, start. A table given. First read it. A group of 100 students, certain test paper in mathematics, marks are given. Pass mark 30. Then only pass students given. So again we have failed students. So anyway, pass mark only given. So in that table, we have to find mean variance first. Thereafter, 100 student mean variance given, we have to find the failed student mean and variance. Okay, first get a table. Here pass students. Here marks. (32), 34, do with me. 35, 39, 42, 44, 45, 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. Number of students mean frequency, na? Frequency 5, 10, 15, 30, 5 and 5. Then here xi column 32, 37, 42, 47, 52, 57. Now here the boundaries are not real, then you get real boundaries. Take real boundaries. Here one gap distribute 34.5, 34.5, 39.5, 39.5, 44.5, 44.5, 49.5, 49.5, 54.5, 54.5, 59.5, 29.5. Here is. Continue. So we have to find mean and variance. To find mean and variance, we have to find yi, fi yi, coordinate not given, fi yi square, and addition. Here we get sigma fi yi, sigma fi yi squared. Here 25, 30, 60, 70. Then take mid value as A. Here no mid value, better take A 42, 0, -1, +1, 1, 2, 3, fi yi 5, -10, here -2, -10, 0, 30, 10, 15, 20, 10, 20, 35. fi yi square again multiply 20, 10, 0, 30, 20, 45, here 65, 95, 105, 125, 125. So when calculating that, we have to get this table. Now mean of the distribution, x bar we call C y bar plus A, C class width, it is 5, y bar sigma fi yi, 35 over sigma fi 70. A assume mean 42. Okay, then 44.5. Here mean. Continue with me. These things we have done last week. But anyway, you do full question. Today we need to practice full question. Then variance, S square, formula C square, sigma fi yi square divided by sigma fi minus y by square. No? Usually we say y bar sigma fi yi divided by sigma fi. Therefore, C mean 5 square. Here 125. Here 70 y bar 35 over 70. Now you simplify. Here 5 square 125 over 70 1/4. So this is variance. Get that value. Huh? .39, value 38.39. That is variance. Your first part. Usually mean calculation, variance or standard deviation calculation will be there. Okay. Now thereafter, this is pass set. There's fail set. Then full collection given 100 student, 38 mean and standard deviation 12. Mean 38, standard deviation 12. So that is standard deviation. No? Standard deviation, this is variance. It's mean variance. So we have formula. That is, so consider here pass, here fail. Then full collection, here all. Pass student mean 44.5. 44.5 mean. Say x bar 1. Then N1 70. Then variance 38.39. Here variance. Then failed student mean we don't know. Say x2. Number of students N2 30. Standard deviation again unknown. You take variance S2. Here take x1. Here x bar 1. S1. So pass student calculation done. Then full total given. Here n equal 100 students. Then mean given 38. Standard deviation S given 12. Then here S square equal 144. No? 12 square 144. So we have to gather these two and get this. So anyway, x bar equal x bar 1 times n1 plus x bar 2 times n2 divided by n1 plus n2. Ne? N1 plus n2. So pass student, fail students. Then total collection, here this is formula. Then here x bar 38 given. 38. X bar 1 44.5 times 70. X bar 2 here 30. N1 plus N2 100. Now you find x bar 2. By this one find x bar 2. Continue now. Find x bar 2. Do calculations. Find that value. Here 22.83. Here failed student average. Failed student average. Pass students, then failed students. Then again we have to find variation. Failed student variance. Then that formula S square equal 1 over n1 plus n2. So we have pass fail, then n1 times s1 square d1 square plus n2 times s2 square d2 square. Here the formula. Okay, we have to gather two data set. We have to gather two data set. Then here full given, that is 12, 144, 1 over 100. Here 70, S1 square 38.39. So N2 30, S2 square need to find D2 square. Now D1 mean x bar minus x bar 1, D2 mean x bar minus x bar 2. This formula given. D1 mean here x bar minus x bar 1, D2 mean x bar minus x bar 2. Then here 38 minus 38.39. Then 38.39. 8.39. Then here 8.39 squared. They two mean x bar, it is 38 minus 22.83. 83. $17. 15.17. 15.17 squared. Okay, now you know everything. Then you can find only S2 squared. You can find this now. So using the formula, we can gather two data set. We can gather it. Then S2 square equal 1440 738.39 8.39 square minus 15.17 square divided by 3. Here the value. Simple question, but numerical is somewhat difficult to simplify. Yeah? But anyway, you can complete it. Finally, you find that approximately to one decimal place. So anyway, identify. We have two data set. So one is pass, the other one is fail. Then pass calculation you do, fail calculation not given, but full one given. Then here the collected one, we have two formula. Here mean and variance formula. Then substitute relevant way. D1 44.5, no? 44.5. Minus 6.5. 6.5 squared. 6.5 squared. Okay. Okay, do calculation later. Okay, now you come to 2023 part B question. 2023 part B question. First read well. (2023) part B question. Read it well. Okay, some calculations are done previously, but anyway, you start complete one. Huh? Part B question. Start now. (2023) part B question. Here table time taken. (0 to 10), 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Now here we need xi because we need to calculate median, mean and variance. Median, mean and variance. Then mid value x 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Frequencies are given 10, 20, 35, 20, 15. Then yi, take this mid value as a, then 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 35, 45, 50, 90, 100. Sigma fi. Then need fi yi column and as well as fi yi square column. Minus 20, minus 20, 0, 20, 30, 50, 10. That is sigma fi yi. 40, 20, 0, 20, 60. 140. Sigma fi yi square. Do with me. Do with me. Now here mean, first median. Median we know formula L1 plus C n divided by 2 minus FC divided by FM. This is median formula. Then you find median class 100, no? Then here 30, here 65. This is median class, 50th element. This is L1 20. C class with 10. N over 2. 100 over 2 minus FC up to this class frequency sum 30. FM medium class frequency that is 35. Then 20, 10, 35 into 20. Now simplify. 20, 40 over 7. So we can calculate. Here 25.9 approximate value. That is median. Then you find mean x bar, C y bar plus A. C class with 10, y bar, sigma fi yi over sigma fi. 10 over 100 plus A value 25. So now here 26. Here mean, that is mean. Then variance of the distribution S square C square sigma Fi yi square divided by sigma Fi plus minus y bar square. C 10 square, here 140, sigma Fi 100, y bar 10 over 100 squared. Here 140, 139. Here this is variance now. Variance. S square is the variance. Very simple question. Okay. Now for the later, another 25 students were given the same task. These students fall into each time interval of the above table. 5 students each. Then here this interval, 5 students added, 5 students added, 5 students added, 5 students added, so on. Now here 100 student calculation already done. Now extra 25 has added, no? Extra 25 has added. Each class extra 5 added, then altogether 25. Then we better to calculate, we need to find only mean of new distribution. Okay, now we need to find mean. So take xi column. So here 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Then frequency, each 5 students added. This is extra part. Then find this mean, x bar 1, find this one. 5 times 5, 15 times 5, 25 times 5, 35 times 5, 45 times 5. Divide by 25. Here just added 25 mean value. So we have added 25 students. So each group 5 students added. Then find that case only mean. So simplify 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 15, 50. Sorry, 10, 20, 25, 25. Now we have previously 100 students with mean here N1. Mean was 26. Here x bar 1. So here new 25 students N2, then its mean 25. X bar 2. Now we have to gather them. That's it. Then new mean x bar equal x bar n equal 100 times 26, 25 times 25 divide by 125. No? 125. This is new mean now. 100 students, 26 mean, 25 students, 25 mean. Then find collected data set mean. Now you can easily simplify. 25, 25, 4, 25, 5. 4 into 26 plus 25 divided by 5. Then find this value. 52, 77. Okay, na? Here 52, 77 or 5. You can find that approximately one decimal place. 1, 5, 4. 15.4. Check that simplification. So anyway, here 2023 question, simple calculation. Finally, each group, each class, 5 students added. Then that change you do separately and finally gather them. Likewise, you can find variance as well. Likewise, you can find variance. So you find this variance and then whole variance you find. Here 4 into 26, 4 into 26. Complete that calculation. 150, 104, 129 divided by 5. 25.8. 25.8. Okay. Now come to 2021 question. 2021. Okay, 2021. First read. No need to do that proof. Just do the question, but just read first. Coding given. That coding given, don't get our one. Coding method given. Therefore, you have to apply that. Start. 2021. Only statistic question. Part B question. Still we doing part B question. No need to worry about that proof. That is done. We have done that now. Continue. A monthly installment. Monthly installment. $1,500, 3,500, 3,500, 5,500, 5,500, 7,500, 7,500, 9,500. Then here frequency 30, 40, 20, 10. Anyway, you need addition here 100. Sigma Fi. You need Xi. Then add and divide by 2. 5,000 over 2. 2,500. Here then 4,500, 6,500, 8,500. Here gap 2,000. Then first find first set. Then 2,000, 2,000 you add one by one. Here transformation given. A transformation given, don't get our one. Here transformation y given. X minus 500 over 1000. Take this transformation. Then yi x, you take x here minus 500. 2000 over 1000 mean 2. 2000 over 1000 2. Here 4000 over 4. 6000 over 1000 6 8. Here this is new coding method. Okay. Then anyway we need Fi yi sigma fi yi squared 60 160 120 80 60 160 120 80 200 300 420 then fi yi square 120 640 720 640 can add them 0 2 2120 2120 so all are easy calculations. So here this case specialty coding method given. Then we have to find mean and standard deviation of y. Then y bar need to find. Y bar mean sigma fi yi divided by sigma fi. Here mean of y. 420 100 4.2 no. Then standard deviation of y, say sy. Here sy square equals sigma fi yi square divided by sigma fi minus y bar square. This is y variance, okay? Variance of y. If you need variance of x, here variance of y, yeah? If you need variance of x, you have to multiply by c squared. Here variance of y. 2120 100 420 over 100 squared. Now simplify this. 2120 minus 42 squared over 100. Simple simplification. 42 squared. 42 2 here 4 8 16 4 7 1764. Then 2120 1764 subtract 6 5 3 356 3.56. Here that is variance 3.56 na. 2120 42 square 17 64 6 5 10 7 3 okay 356 3.56. Then sy 3.56 proved. Here standard deviation of y. Here mean of y, variance of y. Then coefficient of skewness of y define. Coefficient of skewness Here coefficient of skewness given sk 3 times x y bar mean minus median divided by standard deviation. Okay. Then here you need to find median value. Now see this one clearly. Yeah? Okay, see this one carefully. Here this is original data set. Here original one. Huh? So up to here original. Then here coded one. Okay. Now we have to find standard mean for coded values, median for coded value. Therefore here x minus 500 over 1000. X minus 500 over 1000. Now when you consider 1500, then put 1500 minus 500 over 1000, 1. Here 1, put 3500, 1 to 3, then 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9. Here class intervals of y. Identify that. Huh? Just only original data set. Here original data set. So y x minus 500 or 1000. Then here original one, frequency original. So after coding you get yi value. Then here coded value. Then here coded data set. So it contains original frequency there, coded value there. Then coded mean sigma fi yi divided by sigma fi. Here coded mean. If you need original mean, you need x bar. That is cy bar plus a. You can calculate this cy bar plus a. Then here coded variance, usual variance sigma fi xi square divided by sigma fi minus x bar square. Now here y mean coded, no? Then sigma fi yi square divided by sigma fi minus y bar square, coded variance. Then calculate it, the coded variance. If you need original one x squared, then you have to multiply sy square by c square only, that's it. You have to multiply by c squared. Here original one. If you need that. Then here for this part original, no? This part original. Then by this again you code this one, because we need to find coded median. Okay. Identify that clearly. Coded mean. Now median y, coded median, usual median formula we know, L1 plus C n over 2 minus fc divided by fm. Then here total 100, 30, 70, here median class. This will be median class now. Then you don't take 5500, you take 5. We need coded median. Then put it 5. C class will take 2. N over 2, 50. 100 over 2. Then up to this frequency sum 70. Now divide that one by 20. Here coded median, okay? Something wrong. Sorry, median class is this. Median class maker. Here median class, that one wrong. Then 3. 50, 40, 30. Here 40. Then 20, 4. Here chord median. හොඳට අඳුර ගන්න හරියට කෝඩ් කරන එකෙන් data set එකේ value numerical අර original data values ටික වෙනස් කරනවා frequency එක අරගෙන. අපිට කියන්නේ මෙතන මේ xi වෙනස් කරාට පස්සේ y ගේ mean එකයි variance එකයි. y mean y variance. ඊට පස්සේ යාගේ median එකක් තමයි. To get coefficient then you have to take coded median. එහෙනම් ඔයාලට මේක මේ පැත්තටත් මේ අනිත් පැත්තටත් reset කරන්න ඕනේ. Instead of xi, we get yi. Likewise, for this class intervals, you have to consider new class interval, a coded one. Then by that coded one, you find coded median. Then consider this data set. This is coded median. Okay. Now coefficient of skewness. Here it is. Coefficient of skewness 3 times. Mean now 4.2. Median now 4. Standard deviation now 3.56 root. Here 0.2, 0.6 divided by 3.56 root. Here this is coded coefficient of skewness. Coded coefficient of skewness. Okay, do up to that. Do up to that. Hence estimate the mean and standard deviation coefficient of skewness of x. Then original data set thing need to find. No? Here x bar now, see class width here 2000, y bar 4.2, a value, here x bar equal 1000 y bar plus 500. X bar equal 1000 y bar plus 500. 1000 y bar mean 4.2, 500. 4700 new mean of x. 4500. Continue. Here this is the coordinate y equal x minus 500 over 1000. Y equal x minus 500 over 1000. Then x equal 1000 y plus 500. Therefore x bar equal 1000 y bar plus 500. So this is it. Then s x squared 1000 squared sy squared. Here this coordinate we have to multiply by 1000. Here 1000 y bar. Then sx equal 1000 sy. 1000 xy sy known, no? .56 root. Here original data set variance standard deviation. Coefficient of skewness. Here coefficient of skewness here SKY, then SKX. Coefficient of skewness, you take same formula. 3 times new mean here 1000 times y bar plus 500. Median, here we have same coordinate. Then 1000 times median plus 500 divided by standard deviation. Here 1000, 3.56 root. Then we can cancel 1000 and 500 as well. So no effect. SKY and SKX both are same. You find this value. Previous value. Then coefficient, remember, variance change, median change, but coefficient of skewness won't change with the coordinate. No? With the coordinate, coefficient of skewness won't change. Complete. හරි. දැන් අපි normally හරිද? මේකේ මේ පැත්තට තමයි coordinate එක දාන්නේ. හැබැයි ඔයාලට median එකයි mode එකයි calculate කරන්න ඕන අනිත් පැත්තට මේ class එකත් වෙනස් කරන්න ඕනේ. මේ class එකත් වෙනස් කරගන්න ඕනේ. මොකද ඒකේ data ටික වෙනස් වෙනවා code එකෙන්. ඒතර ඒක වෙනස් කරලා මේ ගත්තේ median එක coded data set එකේ median එක ගත්තේ. හරි normal formula coded class intervals ටික code කරන්න හරි. mode එක ගන්න කිව්වත් ඔහොමම තමයි. mode formula එකට ඔය coded value එක මේ ටික මේ column එකම ගන්න. මේක තමයි coordinate එක. අපේ normal coordinate එකේ අපි ගන්නවා xi minus a divided by c. c class width, but yes x minus 500 over 1000. Different coordinate method given. X minus 500 over 1000. Therefore original mean varies same format. C here 1000 y bar plus 500. Here y equal x minus 500 over 1000, x equal 1000 y plus 500. Then x bar equal 1000 y bar plus 500. එතකොට මෙතන variance එක effect එන්නේ මේ multiplication එකේ විතරයිනේ. අර මම ඔයාලට කලින් කිව්වනේ. data set එකේ value එකක් මොකක් හරි එකෙන් multiply කරොත් standard deviation එකත් ඒ විදිහට multiply වෙනවා. mean එකත් ඒ විදිහට multiply වෙනවා. හැබැයි variance එක square වෙලානේ multiply වෙන්නේ. by c squared. Then here 1000 multiply. Therefore variance of original data set 1000 square times variance of coded variance. Standard deviation of original data set equal 1000 times coded variance, coded standard deviation. But coefficient of skewness won't change. Coefficient of skewness won't change with the coding. Okay. Come to 2018. Do 2018 simple part. Estimate mean standard deviation. Waiting times before being treated 100 patients of certain hospital are collected. The following table gives the distribution of values obtained by subtracting 20 minutes from each this time and dividing each of the result in difference by 10. Coordinate given, na? Coordinate given. First read well. First read well. We have our coding method, but here the specialty coding given. Carefully read. 2018. 2018. Range of value. -2 to 0, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. The number of patient, frequency 30, 40, 15, 10, 5, 70, 100. Sigma 5. 100 patient. The following table gives the distribution of value obtained by subtracting 20 minutes from each of these times and dividing each of the result difference by 10. Okay, then original value has coded here. This is coded value. Then we have original value. Let's say xi, let's say x. Original value subtract by 20 and divide by 10. This is y. So these are coded values. These are coded value, okay? Then you find xi column. Before that, you better write here coded value, then better write yi. Then -1, 1, 3, 5, 7. Here coded value. Then original one, original data mean x. 10y minus 20. 10y plus 20. Okay. Make a coded. Coded. Estimate the mean and standard deviation of the distribution given in this table. Mean and standard deviation. We have to calculate this. Here coded one. So take fi yi, fi yi squared. -30, 40, 45, 50, 35. 30, 10, 55, 105, 110, 140. fi yi squared 30, 40, 250, 135, 245. Don't mislead. This is not original set. This is coded one. Then before that we have original set. Before that we have original value. Then a sigma F5 yi, sigma F5 yi squared. 495, 500, 630, 670, 700. 700 coded value. Now, hence estimate mean and standard deviation of the coded one. No? Then here mean equal sigma F5 yi 140 divided by 100, 1.4. Then standard deviation square equal sigma F5 yi square sigma F5 y by square. 700 divided by 100, 140 divided by 100 square. 714 squared. 100. 196. 700 minus 196. 600, 506, 504. 504. Then standard deviation notation different. 5.04 root. That is standard deviation of coded set. Clearly identify this. This is coded one. Then yi, that's why I took here y. Then F5 column, you take F5 yi, F5 yi square. Here coded set. Here this is coding. This is coding. Now we have calculated mean, variance. Now here standard deviation. Then also we have to calculate. Coefficient of skewness. Then already given now. Coefficient of skewness given. Mu minus m divided by. Now you find m. M mean mod. Then you find mod here. Mod. Here highest frequency class is this now. Highest frequency class, you find mod here. We have mod formula L1, L10, C class with 2, delta 1 gap 10, delta 2 gap 25. Then simplify, this is mod. Four divided by 7. This is mod. 4 divided by 7 is the mod. Then you put it here. Mu 1.4 mod 4 over 7. Here we can get that into one decimal place. 0.57. 0.57. 40 divided 4, 45, 57. 0.57 mod. 57 divided by 5.04 root. Here 1.4. 0.57. Subtract 3, 0.83 divided by 5.04 root. Here coefficient of skewness. Coefficient of skewness. Okay, now here we need to find original data set mean and variance. Then original data set, mu original. Now you identify coordin. Here this is coordin. Then y bar is 1.4. Then 10 times 1.4 plus 20. Here x 10 y plus 20. Then 10 1.4 plus 20. 34. Here original mean. Original mean. Original mean. Na? Then original standard deviation. So here we have to multiply by 10. Here standard deviation effect with this. So here coded one standard deviation we have to multiply by 10. We have to multiply by 10. Here original data set where standard deviation. Also estimate the coefficient of skewness. Then coefficient of skewness won't change. Coefficient of skewness won't change. ඔයාලා මෙතන අඳුර ගන්න ඕනේ මේ තියෙන්නේ කෝඩඩ් සෙට් එකක් කියලා. හැබැයි ඔයාලා ඒක අඳුර ගන්න නැතුව normal හදාගෙන මේක normal හදාගෙන ගියා කියලා හිතන්න. අන්න එතනින් එන answers ටික තියෙනවා normal හදන answers ටික. ඒවත් ටික තමයි මේ එන්නේ. ඒ එන්නේ කෝඩඩ් සෙට් එකක. ඕක ආයෙ කෝඩ් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. මේක කෝඩ් කරපු ටික තියෙන්නේ. අහපව ආයෙ සෙට් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට ඕනේ රීසෙට් කරන්නයි ඕනේ. රිවර්ස් කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට මේ කෝඩින් එකම ගන්න. මෙතන මේ කෝඩින් එකම original එක x 10y plus 20. අපිට දැන් කෝඩ් කරනවා කියන්නේ 20 subtract කරලා 10 ගෙන් divide කරනවා හැම වැලියු එකමනේ. මේකනේ x minus 20 over 10. x minus 20 over 10. මේ තමයි කෝඩින් එක. ඒක කරාට පස්සේ සෙට් එක තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට ඒක රීසෙට් කරනවා නම් 10 times y plus 20. 10 ගෙන් multiply කරලා 20 add කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් 20 subtract කරලා 10 ගෙන් divide කරනවා. ඒක එනවා. එතකොට මේක කෝඩින් එක mean එකට ඒ විදිහටම effect එනවා. variance එකට effect වෙන්නේ මේ standard deviation එකට effect වෙන්නේ මේ multiplication එක විතරයි. මේ multiplication එක විතරයි effect වෙන්නේ. ඒතර ඒක ඒ විදිහට multiply කරලා දාන්න. ඊට පස්සේ coefficient of skewness එකට එකක්වත් depend වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එකක්වත් නැහැ. ඒ විදිහට යන්නේ. තා චුට්ටක් ක්ලියර් කරගන්න හරියටම හරියද? මෙතන පොඩි දෙයක් තියෙන්නේ. පොඩි දෙයක් තියෙන්නේ ඒක අර ළඟ ළඟ හරියට බලා ගන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? අපේ normally මේ වෙනකන් අපි කරගෙන ගියේ data set එකක් දෙනවා. ඒක කෝඩ් කරලා හදනවානේ. ඒ කියන්නේ original ටික දුන්නාම ඒක කෝඩ් කරලා හදනවා. කෝඩ් කරන්නේ simplify කරන්න lazy කරන්නනේ. දැන් මෙතන data set එකක් දෙනවා කෝඩ් කරපු ටිකක් දෙන්න ඔය තියෙන්නේ. එතන කෝඩින් ටෙක්නික් එක දීලා දෙනවා හැම වැලියු එකකම 20ක් අඩු කරලා 10න් බෙදන්න කියලා. x minus 20 over 10 කියලා කෝඩින් මෙතඩ් එක දීලා දෙනවා. ඒ කෝඩින් මෙතඩ් එකෙන් තමයි මේ සෙට් එක හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මොකක් හරි මේ කෝඩින් එකත් කරන්නේ simplification lazy කරන්නේ නේද? මේ කෝඩින් එකක් දෙන්නේ ඒක easy කරන්න. ඒතර ඔයාලට අහපව මෙතන ආපු column එක අහපව සැරයක් y කෙනෙකුට ආයෙ හදන්න යන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක මේ ටිකම normal විදිහට හදාගෙන යන කෝඩ් කරලා කියන්නේ easy කරලා තියෙන්නේ. මේක තව සැරයකට අපි ගියොත් ආයෙ කෝඩ් වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ එක සැරයක් කෝඩ් කරලා තියෙන්නේ ආයෙ කෝඩ් වෙනවා. ඒතර එයාගේ මීන් එක හොයලා ආපහු කෝඩ් රීසෙට් කරලා ආයෙත් රීසෙට් කරන්න ඕනේ ඔරිජිනල් තැනට යන්න එහෙම කරොත්. ඒකයි මම මේ එක සැරේකින් නතර කරේ. yi විතරක් ගත්තා. fi yi ස්ක්වාර්ගෙන් මෙයාගේ මීන් එක මේ ටේබල් එකේ මීන් එකයි මේ ටේබල් එකේ variance එකයි කැල්කියුලේට් කරලා තියෙනවා. එතන මේ ටේබල් එකේම ස්ටෑන්ඩඩ් ඩීවියේෂන් කැල්කියුලේට් කරලා තියෙනවා. එතන මේ ආපු සෙට් එක කෝඩඩ් ටික ඒක රීසෙට් කරද්දි මෙන්න මේ කෝඩින් ටෙක්නික් එක රිවර්ස් කරන්න ඕනේ 10y 20 ගෙන්. මේ තියෙන එක 10y 20 ගෙන් රීසෙට් කරන්න ඕනේ. 10y 20 එනකොට දැන් අපේ 1.4 නේ මීන් එක මෙතන 1.4 then 10 times 1.5 plus 20 එන්නේ. හරි තව හොඳට බලාගන්න. දැන් ඔයාලා මේකට මෝඩ් එක හෙව්වා කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. මේකට මෝඩ් එකක් හොයනවා. ඒ මෝඩ් එක තමයි වෙන්න මේ කාවේ 0.57. මේක ඔරිජිනල් එකේ මෝඩ් එකට ගන්න අහපව මේකෙම කෝඩ් රීසෙට් කරන්න. එතකොට මෙතන 0.57 අපිට මෙතෙන් දාන්න 0.57 times 20 57 plus 20 එනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔරිජිනල් මෝඩ් එකේ ඉන්නේ 57 plus 20 77 එන්නේ. ඔරිජිනල් මෝඩ් එක. මං කියන්නේ ක්ලියර්ද? මීඩියන් එක හෙවන ඒත් එහෙමයි. ඔයාලා මේ data set එකට මීඩියන් එක හොයන්න. මේකට මීඩියන් එක හොයලා ඉවරලා මේකෙන් අහපුවා කෝඩින් එක රීසෙට් කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒතර ඒක රීසෙට් කරාම අපිට ඕන එක එනවා. ඒතර මේ කෝඩින් එක ඉෆෙක්ට් වෙන්නේ නැහැ මේ coefficient of skewness එකට. කොහොම වුණත් මේ ඩිෆරන්ස් එකට මේ ඇඩිෂන් එක අයින් වෙනවා. මේ ඩිෆරන්ස් එකක් තියෙනවානේ. එතන මේ ඇඩිෂන් එක සබ්ට්‍රැක්ෂන් එක අයින් වෙනවානේ. ඊට පස්සේ මෙතන මල්ටිප්ලිකේෂන් එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ දෙන්නට මල්ටිප්ලිකේෂන් එකක් තියෙනවා. මෙයාගෙත් මල්ටිප්ලිකේෂන් එකක් එනවා මේ. මේකෙත් මල්ටිප්ලිකේෂන් එකක් එනවනේ. ඒතකොට මල්ටිප්ලිකේෂන් එකත් ඉෆෙක්ට් නැහැ. ඒතකොට කෝඩින් එක කෝඩින් කරා කියලා ඒක coefficient of skewness එකට ඩිපෙන්ඩ් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? කෝඩින් එක coefficient of skewness එකට ඩිපෙන්ඩ් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මීන් එකට තියෙන විදිහටම කෝඩ් එක යනවා. variance එකට ඉෆෙක්ට් වෙන්නේ product එකට විතරයි. product එක ස්ක්වයර් කරලා යන්නේ. standard deviation එකට product එක විතරක් ඉෆෙක්ට් වෙනවානේ. ඉතින් මේ බලන්න මේ standard deviation එක මේකේ අපිට එන්නේ 5.04 standard deviation එක. ඒක 10 ගෙන් multiply වෙලා තමයි අලුත් original එකේ එන්නේ. ඒ විදිහට තමයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. හරිද? හරි. Take 2017 question. 2017. ඒ කලින් අවුරුදු දෙකම ස්ටාර් මාර්ක් දෙකක් දාගෙන තියාගන්නකො. මොකද කෝඩින් එක වෙනස්. ස්ටාර් මාර්ක්ස් දෙකක් දාගෙන තියාගන්න. කලින් අවුරුදු දෙකම. That is original set. The following table gives the distribution of mark obtained by the group of 100 students for their answers to a statistic question. Mark range 0 to 10. So, not telling about coding. Estimate the mean standard deviation of this distribution. Also estimate the coefficient of skewness k. Okay. Here, now you have to consider the data set is original one. Then we can code. Continue. Mark range 0 to 2, 24, 48, 46, 68, 810. Xi column 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Frequency column 15, 25, 40, 15, 5. 40, 55, 60, 100. Sigma Fi. Then you better to code this. Get mid value as A. 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, this is 5. Xi minus A divided by C. Then move further. This is general question. Fi yi squared minus 30 minus 25 0 15 10. Get addition minus 30. Here sigma Fi yi squared 60 25 0 15 20 80 90 100 120 120. Then mean C y bar plus A. C mean class it 2, y bar mean minus 30 divided by 100, A mean 5. Here 0.6 now, 5 minus 0.6, 4.4. 4.4. Then variance C square sigma Fi yi square sigma Fi minus y bar square. C mean class it 2, sigma Fi yi square 120, sigma Fi 100, y bar 30 over 100. Two 120 minus 9 111. .22. Here 100 common denominator 120 minus 9 111. 111 times 4. 4.44. Then by this you can find standard deviation. 4.44 square root. That is standard deviation. Then coefficient of skewness, we have to find median. Median formula, that is directly given M, no? L1 plus C n over 2 minus Fc divided by Fn. Then here 100, here 40, here 50th element will be here. This is median class. Then L1 mean 4, C mean 2, n over 2, 100 divided by 2, Fc up to this sum 40. Median class frequency 40. 4 plus 2, here 10 or 40. 4.5, here median. Then K, coefficient of skewness 3 times mu minus m divided by sigma. Then mu 4.4, m 4.5, here 4.44 root. Then obtain that into 1 decimal place. Here minus 0.1, minus 0.3, here value minus 0.3 divided by 4.44 root. Here minus 0.1 times 3 minus 0.3, 4.44. Here it is. Then come to 2012 part B. 2012 part B statistic question. Question 2012 question. True frequencies are not given. Data set not given completely, but mode and median are given. Mode and median are given. Then by that one you find frequencies F1 and F2. Try it. That also somewhat special question. Better to put star mark. Then all the specialties are done. Okay, start it. Two 2012 question. 2012 question. First read it well. First read it well. Table given. Original marks are given. Na? 2012. Range of marks. Then 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Then frequency 14, F1, 27, F2, 15. Then get XI column 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. Okay. Now, here not completed data set given. No? Frequencies of the marks 20 and 40, 60 to 80 are missing. However, the mode and median of the group of distribution are known 48 and 50. Then mode given. So let's take mode 48. Then mode 48 means, so that is in here this class. Here model class. No? Model 48. 48 means 48 in between 40 to 60. This is model class. Model class. So when finding mode, we have formula L1 plus C delta 1 over delta 1 plus delta 2 formula. No? We have formula when finding mode. Then 48. Now you know model class. It is lowest boundary 40, class with 20, delta 1, here frequency difference, delta 1, 27 minus F1, 27 minus F1, don't get F1 minus 27, na? 27 will be the highest frequency. Then 27 minus F1, here 27 minus F1 minus plus delta 2 mean 27 minus F2. 27 minus F2. Now you find one formula first. Here 8, 20, 27 minus F1 here 54 minus f1 minus f2. Simplify, here divisible by 4, 5, here 108 minus 2f1 minus 2f2, here 5 times 27, 135, 5f1. Then simplify further. Take all f frequencies here. 3f1 minus 2f2, 135 minus 108. 135, 108. Subtract 7. 27. Here take first formula. Okay. Now median. Median. Here median given 50. Median given 50. So here median 50 now. For median we have again formula L1 plus C n over 2 minus Fc divided by Fm. Here median formula. Now median 50 mean that also in same class, no? Then median also same class. Median class same class. L1 then 40. Class with 20. N. Here total frequency is n value. Then here 14, 15, 29, 36, 66. 66 plus f1 plus f2. Here n value, no? 14, 29, 36, 56, no? Take it again. 29, 36, 20, 56. Plus f1 plus f2, that is n. Then 56, f1 plus f2 over 2. Fc up to this class frequency sum 14 plus f1. Up to this class frequency sum 14 plus f1 over fm. Here this class frequency 27. 27. First identify properly, then do that simplification well. N mean total frequency, frequency sum, Fc mean up to median class frequency. So according to the value, you find median class. Value 50 now, then that class 20 to 60 class, 40 to 60 class. Now simplify. Now simplify here 10, 1, cancel with 20, 2, 56 plus f1 plus f2 minus 28, 2f1, cancel with 2, 27. 28, 28, 1. Here f1 minus f2 equal 1. f1 minus f2 equal 1. Now we have simultaneous equation. You find f1, f2. Then 3f1, 2f2. f2 equal f1 minus 1. 27, no? Here by 1. 3f1, 2f2 equal f1 minus 1. Then here f1 equal 25, no? f1 equal 25. Here f1 cancel 2, here plus 2, no? Then 25. Then f1 25, f2 24. These are the frequencies now. Okay. Original data set given but missing data there. Then with the result you find missing data. With the result find missing data. Now it is done. Calculate two missing frequencies. Now it is done. Hence obtain total number of students who sat for the statistic paper. Find mean and standard deviation of group frequency distribution. Now we know full data set. Therefore, you have to start from the beginning now again. So let's take it. Class intervals 0-20, 20-40, 40-60, 60-80, 80-100. XI 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. F5 column 14, F1, 25, 27, F2, 24, 15. Then total frequency. Then you code this one. Here take A. Then take yi. 0, -1, -2, 1, 2. Then F5 yi. F2 I2. Sorry, F5 yi squared. $105. Total frequency sum 105. Check it again. 9, 16, 20, 25. 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 105. Then here this is asking total students. 105. Minus 28, minus 25, 0, 24, 30. Then 25, 24, -1, -1, minus 29, 1. Sigma F5 yi, sigma F5 yi squared. 56, 25, 0, 24, 60. Here 84, 56, 60, 80, 140, 165. Now we need to calculate only mean and standard deviation. Then x bar equal C y bar plus A. C mean 20, y bar mean 1 over 105, A mean 50. So take that into one decimal place. Then standard deviation. Then first find variance. C square sigma F5 yi square divided by sigma F5 minus y by square. Then C mean 20. Sigma F5 yi square, it is 165. Sigma F5 105. Y bar mean 1 over 105. So you take this value, then finally standard deviation gets square root of that. So final simplification is a little hard because 105 there, no? Little hard. So we have to take square root and when finding standard deviation. So the specialty of that question, two frequencies are not given, but you think and you get them. Think and get them, then proceed further. Okay, so after that you go to 2024 question. Go to 2024 question. So here also you have to think and do. Now you have a capacity to do that one. Frequencies, two frequencies are not given. Then this procedure you can take. And coding technique given. Here coded time given. So coding technique previously given. Then you have to think little. Start it 2024. Start. Okay, 2024. Here coded time 02 24 46 68 810. Frequency 2 F1 9 F2 1. Here frequency. The time taken to solve puzzle of 20 students. Then all students 20 were coded by subtracting 10 from each of the time and then dividing by 2. Then here coding technique. So here take y, x subtract 10 divide by 2. Here coding. So you have to subtract 10 and divide by 2. So here 20 students, altogether 20. Then you can add frequencies. Then 20 equal 2 plus F1 plus 9 plus F2 plus 1. Here frequency sum. Here 9, 11, 12. F1 plus F2 equal 8. F1 plus F2 equal 8. Estimated mean 44 minute. Not 44, 4.4. Take that on 4.4. Estimated mean 4.4, not 4.4. Then x bar equal 4.4. So you take here xi, here coded one, then you better to denote that one yi. Here better to write y bar, coded mean 4.4. Estimated mean for the coded time. Here take yi, here mid value 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. No need to record it. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 there. Then you take fy yi, get addition 2, 3 f1, 45, 7 f2, 9. Add them 45, 55, 56. 3 f1 plus 7 f2. Then 4.4 equal 56, 3 f1 plus 7 f2 divide by 20. Here usual technique, coded data given, therefore no need to record it. Okay, if you code it, it is okay, but no need to code it. Then simplify. Here 88, 56 subtract minus 56. 32, 3 f1 plus 7 f2. Then 3 f1 plus f2 for F2. F1 plus F2 8 for F2. Simplify, divisible by 4. Here 8. Then F2 equal 2. F2 equal 2. Therefore, F1 equal 6. It is simple. So, but clearly identify the table is coded 1. Then mean given 4.4, not 44, 4.4. Then total student given 20. Then frequency sum 20. Mean given 4.4. Usual mean sigma F5 yi divided by sigma F5. Here coded 1. Those are the frequencies. Estimate the standard deviation and mode of the coded time. Estimate the standard deviation and mode of the coded time. Now, we know frequencies. Now, you better to rewrite table. 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10. You better rewrite it. Here yi class interval 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. F5 now 2, F1 6, 9, F2 2, 1. Then addition 20. Then no need to record it. Take F5 yi. Take F5 yi square. Take F5 yi square. Okay. Now calculate. So this is coded 1. Don't try to record it. Then F5 yi 2, 18, 45, 14, 9. Add them 20, 65, 75, 85, 88. Check it. 20, 65, 75, 85, 3, 88. Okay. Sigma F5 yi, sigma F5 yi squared. 4, 9, 28, 108, 45, 9 into 9. 405. 405. Now here we have to calculate mode first. Mode. So let's find mode. L1 plus C delta 1 over delta 1 plus delta 2. Here this is coded 1. Okay. This is coded 1. Now highest frequency here module class. Then L1 mean 4, class width mean 2, delta 1 mean frequency difference here 3, delta 2 mean frequency difference here 7. Check it again. L1 4, C2, delta 1 3, delta 2 7. Here mode of coded 1. Now calculate. 10, 4.06, 4.6. Here mode of coded 1. Then you have to find standard deviation standard deviation. Then variance equal sigma fi yi square minus divided by sigma fi minus y by square. Here variance, here mode. Don't mislead, huh? Don't mislead. Identify the given set properly. Okay. Now we know we have done calculations now. Sigma fi yi squared. So we have to get addition, no? 500, here 500. $554. Okay. Then 554 divided by 20. Y bar 88 over 20 square. 88 over 20 square. Okay. This is chorded set variance. Chorded set variance. F5 yi squared. F5 I square. F5 yi squared. 2 18 times 3. 54. 225. 98. 81. F5, now it is okay. Now add. $460. Two, 4, 6, 9, 10, 20, 9, 18, 18, 26, 6, 2, 460. Okay, now it is okay. Here 460. 460. Now you simplify. 23. Here divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. 2, 2. Here 5. 22 square divided by 25. 23 times 25 minus 22 square divided by 25. Here the value. Find the variance. Here 3.64. Then standard deviation 3.64 root. Get square root of that. 1.9. 1.9. That is standard deviation. 1.9 standard deviation. Now estimate the mean and standard deviation and the mode of actual time taken to solve the puzzle. Actual time. Here coordinate given. This is our coordinate. Okay. Then y xi minus 10 over 2. Here y x minus 10 over 2. Then original one x no 2y minus 10. Here original. Then original mean 2y bar plus 10 to y bar. So where's y bar? Here y bar, you find it. Y bar equal 88 over 20. Here y bar. Here divisible by 4 no? 22, 5, 4.4. Here y bar. Here coordinate mean. Coordinate mean. Then original mean. You put it here 2.4.4 plus 10. 18.8. Here original mean. Here coordinate 1. Original one x no x minus 10 over 2 coordinate 1. Then coordinate mean 4.4. Coordinate mean 4.4. Then you reset it. That is mean. Then mode. Then original mode. So here this is mode value 4.6 no? You have to code it. Here 4.6. 2.2 times 4.6 plus 10. Here 2, 19.2. Here original mode. So you have to get same coordinate. Get same coordinate, reset it. Then further we have to find actual standard deviation. Standard deviation original. So here original standard deviation depended this multiplication. No? Here this is our original standard. Here coded deviation, coded standard deviation, coded standard deviation 1.9. Then here multiple 2. 3.8. Here original standard deviation. Original standard deviation. Okay. Now just think about that coding thing first. Huh? Coded data set given, we have to reset it. But all the corrections that what we have done previously, other than these few special types, the original set given. Now here coded set given. So we have to reset it. But for coded thing, we can find mean, variance, standard deviation, all thing we can calculate. No? All thing we have calculate. Then by that one you reset to the original one. Okay, now let's have a small interval. Okay, let's start again. Let's move to another correction. 2022. 2022. Start it. Start 2022 question. Take time. Question. The diameter in millimeters 26 610 10 14 14 18 18 22. Number of balls mean frequency. Two, 5, 8, 4, 1. Then add them 10, 20. Sigma Fi in thousands here. Then get Xi 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Estimate mean, median and the variance. Then we need to calculate Yi, Fi Yi, sigma Fi Yi, Fi Yi squared, and sigma Fi Yi squared. Then get here mid value as a 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, -4, -5, 0, here 4, 2, 4 cancel, -3, then Fi Yi squared, multiply again, 8, 5, 0, 4, 4, 16, 21. Then we can easily calculate them. Mean C y bar plus A. C mean gap here 4, no? Y bar -3 over 20. A mean 12. Simplify here 5.6. 11.4 millimeters. Median, we have median formula L1 plus C n over 2 minus Fc divided by Fm. So when you are doing question, you better to prove this one. Na? Better to prove this one. So find median class here 20, no? Then 5 to 7, here this will be median class. Then lower boundary 10, class width 4, 20 over 2, Fc up to frequency sum here 5 to 7. Fm value, here this is Fm 8. Here 1, 2, here 10, 3, 1.5, 11.5 millimeters. Here 10 minus 7, 3 over 2, 1.5, 11.5 millimeters median. And the variance. Now we can calculate variance. S squared. C square sigma Fi Yi over sigma Fi minus Y bar square. then C mean 4, sigma Fi yi mean 21, sigma Fi mean 20, y bar mean 3 over 20, minus 3 over 20 squared. Simplify. Here 16, 21 over 20, 9 over 400. 21 times 20 minus 9 or 400. Here 3, 9, 20, 400, 42, 420, 411, 411 times 4, 4, 16, 16.44, 16.44 variance. That is variance. Now here altogether 20,000, the diameter of the another 40,000 balls, same mean. Now we have to gather two data set. No? Now we have to gather two data set. So first 20,000 balls, here 20 no? In thousands. Then first 20,000, its mean x bar 1, this is x bar 1, 11.4. Then variance S1 squared, 16.44. So another 40,000, same mean x bar 2, 11.44. And its variance given 22.53. Estimate the combined. We have to find this. We have to gather it. No? Then here very simple, these two mean same. No? Therefore, new mean n1 x bar 1, n2 x bar 2, n1 plus n2. Then these two are same mean, therefore we get same answer, 11.44. 20,000, 11.44, 11.4. No? 40,000, 11.4, 20,000 plus 40,000. And final one 11.44. Then here two factories, collected mean, pooled mean. Okay. Do up to that. Now further we have to calculate pool mean and pool variance. So pool variance we have formula S square equal n1 plus n2 n1 times s1 square d1 square n2 times s2 square d2 square 1 over 40,000 and 20,000. Here 20,000 S1 squared 16.44. So here D1 x bar minus x bar 1. D1 x bar minus x bar 1 is 0 now. D2 x bar minus x bar 2 again 0. No? Here difference 0, 0. Then here 0 squared. 40,000. S2 given 22.53. 0 square. Now simplify that. Just simplify now. Simplify now. Six, 1/3, 16.44 to 22.53. Then you can find the value here now. Then find for one decimal place. You can calculate that into one decimal place. In that question, nothing to think lot, but 2024 question we have to think. We have to think that because coding given, therefore we have to reset. Likewise, we have to think lot. But these questions, no, nothing to think lot. You have to just apply formula. That's it. Okay, come to 2013 part B question. 2013 part B. Part B. Two thousand 13. Continue. You practice alone. Xi mean value. Now you code it. Better to get mid value A. Yeah, better to get this one as A. Then write yi xi minus A over C. Then fi yi addition. Further fi yi squared. Zero minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 2 3. fi yi minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 0 14 4 3. Then add 18. Here 18 9 0 3. Sigma fi yi. Fi yi square 9 12 9 0 14 8 9. Sigma fi yi squared. These are general questions. 18 30 40 52 61. Check it again. 12 20 34 45 64. Calculate the first. Here we have to calculate first quartile of the distribution. So we have to calculate quartiles. Then quartile formula Q1 L1 plus C n divided by 4 minus FC divided by FM. No? Quartile formula. Then total 50. No? Then 50 divided by 2, 25 divided by 2, 12.5. Then that quartile belongs to this. First quartile belongs to this class. Then substitute L1 0.82, C class width 0.01, n divided by 4, 50 divided by 4, FC. Up to this class sum 3 plus 1 4. Divided by FM, that class frequency 9. 0.82, 0.01 over 9. Here 12.5 minus 4, 8.5. If you find that up to 1 decimal place. Take that into 1 decimal place. That is first quartile. Or need to calculate mean. So here given that here this set N150, mean given 0.835 and standard deviation given 0.01 in 10 centimeters. Then another 100. Mean of the diameter is same as the first 50. Then x bar 2 won't change. 0.835. First 50 middle bar. Standard deviation S2 0.015 0.015 centimeters. Now we have to get combined data set. Here these two same, no? Then x bar n equal n1 x bar 1, n2 x bar 2, n1 plus n2. Then it won't change 0.835. 0.835. Then d1 mean x bar minus x bar 1, then it is 0. d2 mean x bar minus x bar 2, again 0. Then variance formula, s square equal 1 over n1 plus n2, n1 s1 square d1 square plus n2 s2 square and d2 square. Here pole mean and pole variance. Now 1 over n1 n2 1 over 150, then 50 s1 square 0.01 square d1 0 na, n2 100 s2 square 0.015 square. Then simplify, you get here pole variance, but here we need to calculate, find mean and variance of the diameter of total 150. Here when you calculate, you get that. So easily you can find, na? Not that much hard simplification, you can easily find. Okay. Now next it is given, next case it is given second data set. It's subsequently discovered that measuring instrument used for that the second set of 100 metal balls. So second data set 100 metal balls was faulty, and the diameter of each ball has underestimated by 0.015, underestimated. So this is given second data set underestimated by 0.015. Now mean actual will be, we have to add it, no? We have to add it. Find the true mean and true standard deviation of the diameter these 100 metal balls. So we have to add just an underestimate mean the measuring instrument has fault. No, we have to add it. Then so second data set x bar n now given 0.835, no? So it is underestimated by 0.15. Then you have to over it. You have to add them 0.015, then 0.85. Then variance won't change. S2. This won't change. Huh? Addition won't affect it with variance or standard deviation. Only product will affect. No? Then addition won't affect with standard deviation or variance. It is underestimated by 0.15, 0.015. Then mean we have to change, but variance standard deviation won't change. Then it remains as it is. It remains as it is. Okay. Now let's practice part A question. Take 2024 part A question. 2024 part A question. Start it. Part A question. So usually part A question contain with ungrouped data distributions. We know formula and we have to think little, then we can get the answer. Start it now. 2024 part A. Try to think. median, mode and mean of the following ascending order distribution are given 5, 7, 5 respectively. Median 2024. Median ME 5, mode MO 7 and mean x bar 5. So here given 1, 3, 4 P, Q, R, S. This is ascending order distribution. Ascending order distribution. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements. Definitely we have mid value, no? We have only one mid value. So that mid value 5, median 5. Then ascending order distribution, here this will be 5, median. Therefore, P equal 5. P equal 5. Then we have mode 7. Mode 7 mean here Q, R, S, all 3 or at least 2 will be 7. No? Q, R, S. Here 1, 3, 4, 5. No? Then Q, R, is at least 2 will be 7. At least 2. Sometimes that can be, all 3 must can be 7. No? So anyway, so you think now, at least Q, R, S, 2 of Q, R, S will be 7. No? So mod mean exact values, no? Then here 1, 3, 4, 5. Then mod 7 mean definitely at least 2 7 value must be there. At least 2 or 3 must can be there. So mean 5. Then x bar equal 5, no? Then you write mean 1, 3, 4, 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus p value now 5, Q, R, S. Q plus R plus S divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be 7. Then here you take Q mean A, B, Q, R, S, at least 2 will be there. No? Then you take Q, R, S, A, B type of thing. Same 2, different 1. Okay, now let's do 35. 4, 8, 13. Q plus R plus S. Okay, so here at least 7, 7, 7. Then B can be different. Here take A. Then here there will be 2 7 values. There will be 2 7 values. Then we can find the other one. Then 20, 27, 35. One value will be 8. S value will be 8. No? 13, 20, 27. S value 8. S value 8. Therefore now you say corresponding elements 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 8. 7, 7, 8. Okay. We have to just think. We have to just think. So again check. Ascending order distribution given. Median mean mid value. Then mid value will be P. That is directly P, 5. Then mod 7. Then at least these 2 can be 7. At least 2 can be 7. Then you take 1, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 7. Take this another S value. Mean given, mean average value. Right formula. 1, 3, 4, 5 QRS. Then 2 of them 7, 7, 7. Take S different one. Then find S value. We get 8. Then 8. Then 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 8. That's the value. Okay. Go to 2023. Go to 2023. Write formula. 2023, the mean of data set x1, x2 up to x10, 10 elements is 30. Therefore, write formula. x1, x2, x10 divide by 10 equal 30. Then x1, x2, x3, x10 equal 300. This is 300. X bar equal 30. The mean of the data set, that is 30, okay? Then, further given sigma I equal 1 to 10 xi minus 20 squared equal 1040. 1040. 1040. We have to find variance of the above data set. Then consider variance formula. Sigma I equal 1 to n xi square, here up to 10 no? Xi square divided by 10 minus xy square. This is it. This is variance. Now 10 given, you have to find this one, xi square. X bar given 30. Then you need to find I equal 1 to 10 xi squared. I equal 1 to 10 xi squared. Let's expand this. Sigma I equal 1 to 10 binomial xi square 40 xi 20 square 1040. You have to find this one. Now split sigma. Sigma I equal 1 to 10 xi squared minus 40 sigma I equal 1 to 10 xi. Here 400 sigma I equal 1 to 10 400 1040. Then sigma xi, it is 300, no? Here sigma xi. I equal 1 to 10 xi. Now you simplify, you can subject this. This is 300. Here 400 times n, 10, 400 times 10. Here times 40. Then we can easily find sigma xi squared. Then you find sigma xi squared. I equal 1 to 10 xi squared. Here 1400, 400, 3000, 12,000. Here 12,000, 4,000, then 8,000, need to add 9,040, no? 9,040. Here binomial, expand, separate sigma. Sigma xi 300, put it here. Then here 12,000, 4,000, 8,000 minus 9,400. 9,040. Then put it here. 9,040. This will be variance. Then we get variance 4. We get variance 4. Then standard deviation will be 2, no? Then using sigma, you can find. Then go to 2022. 2022. So here part A questions. In part A questions, we have to think little. With original theorems, we have to think little. Then we can do the question very easily. 2022. Read it well. The mean and standard deviation of the mark obtained by 100 students. In 100, mean x bar 60, standard deviation 20. Find the size score of the student who obtained 56 mark. Here x1 50, 56. Then size score x1 minus x bar divided by s. Then 56 minus 60 divided by 20. Mean 60, standard deviation 20, then 100 students, 100 in 100. Now his mark 56. Then xi minus x bar divided by s, we get negative size score. Then here minus 4 divided by 20, 105. Minus 0.2, na? Minus 0.2 z score. It was later found that this mark of 56 has been entered erroneously and it should have been 65 instead. Okay. So we have 100. We have 100, that 56 mark wrong. So that must be corrected to 65. This must be corrected to 65. Now let's see. Here let's do correction. Then sigma, we have 100, no? Take I equal 1 to 99 element correct. Then now mean value 60, that comes with 56. 56 divided by 100. This will be 60, no? So we have 99 original values, correct values. Then 1 to 99 correct. Then 56 with that one, we calculated mean. That calculation we obtained 60. Okay. Then you find corrected sum. Sigma I equal 1 to 99 xi. Then 66,000 minus 56, no? Here multiply by 100, no? 66,000 minus 56. 5,944. Correct, na? This is it. Now we have to correct it. Now we have to calculate correct value of the mean of the mark of the examination. Now this is correct value. Now new mean x bar n, sigma I equal 1 to 99 xi. Now here correct value 65 now. Divide by 100. This is then 5944 plus 65 divided by 100. Very simple. 1 to 99 addition correct. Then 56 given. With that one mean 60. You find corrected sum. Then with the corrected sum, now you add original correct value 65. Then get average. 649 460 906 6009 6009. 2021. 2021. Set of 5 observations of positive integers has mean 6 and range 10. 5 observations. Take A, B, C, D, E. Here 5 observations. Mean 6. Then range, here ascending order, range mean E minus A equal 10. We have 5 observations, E minus A 10. It has 2 modes. It has 2 modes mean we have equal type 2. Then you think here, so that can be 2 D values. Let's say 2A, let's say A, C, C, E. Yeah, this is possible. A, B, B, C, C possible. A, B, C, C possible. Here, 2 modes. Two modes mean we have 2 equal type terms. The median is different from the modes. Median is different from the mode. So median is different from the mode. Mean here median and mode same. Here median mode same. These two wrong now. Then here the correct one. Now A minus C, C minus A, C minus A equal 10. C minus A 10. C minus A 10. Then we have 3 values A, B, C, 2 A's, 1 B's, 2 C's. C minus A 10. C minus A 10. Find 5 observations. Find 5 observations. So we can't calculate this. We have to guess values, okay? We can't calculate. You guess values. So these are positive integers now. These are positive integers. Mean 6 has mean 6. Just write another formula. 2A plus B plus 2C 5 equals 6. Then here 2A, 2C plus B equals 30. 30. Now we have 2 formula. Now try to guess values. So anyway, now you put integer values. Put integer values and check it. Do up to that. Okay. Now if you consider A value, let A value, here A, C, B. Now you get A value 1, integer, no? Then C value will be 11. Then A value 1, C value 11, C value 11, 22, B, 30. Then 22, 24, B value 6. B value 6. Then you get A value 2. Get A value 2. Then C value 12. A value 2. Then here 4. C value 12. 24. 24, 28. B value 2. B value 2. Now let A value 3. A value 3. Then C value 13. A value 3, 6, 13, 26, B. Then here B value minus 2. Then here onwards it is wrong because positive integers. So now you take this. So anyway, B value in between AC. B value in between AC definitely. B value in between AC. No? Then here A, C, correct. Here this is wrong. This is wrong. Therefore, value set 1, 1, 6, 11, 11. 1, 6, 1, 1, 6, 11, 11. Okay. So here in this case, the specialty we have to guess the values. Okay. By solving the equation we can't find. So you find some equations. Then accordance with that you get possibilities. So A mean integer, positive integer, definitely you want here negative value you can remove. Then here ascending order, no? A, B, C, then in between AC, B will be there. In between AC, B will be there. This is okay. In between A, C, here not in between, then forget. Then only one possibility, 11, 1 and 6. 1, 1, 6, 11, 11. Complete it. Okay. Now we have done a lot of things on statistic, but we need to do more. We need to do few questions. Okay, part A few questions and part B that simplifications, sigma simplifications there. Then next week also I need to do one session. Then we can complete it. Huh? Okay, that's all for today.